Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hub. On this channel, we explore powerful AI tools, online business ideas, and digital skills that can help you work smarter and make money online. If you want to learn how to use AI and technology to build income streams and grow in the digital world, then this channel is for you. But let me ask you something. What if you could start a side hustle today and begin making money online using AI tools? The truth is, many people are already using artificial intelligence to create income streams from their laptops. And the best part is that most of these AI side hustles don't require advanced skills or expensive equipment. In today's video, I will show you 5 AI side hustles that can help you start making money online. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last idea is one of the easiest ways beginners are using AI to earn money online. Now let's get started. The first AI side hustle is AI content writing. Businesses and websites constantly need blog posts, product descriptions, and marketing content. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, outlines, and even full articles in minutes. Instead of spending hours writing from scratch, AI helps speed up the process. Many freelancers offer content writing services to clients and get paid per article or project. The second AI side hustle is AI thumbnail design. YouTube creators need eye-catching thumbnails to attract viewers and increase clicks. Using tools like Canva, you can easily design professional thumbnails even if you have no design experience. Many creators hire freelancers to design thumbnails for their channels. Once you learn the basics, you can offer thumbnail design services and earn money online. The third AI side hustle is YouTube automation. You don't always need to show your face to run a YouTube channel. Many creators build channels using scripts, AI voiceovers, and stock footage. Tools like Pictory can turn a script into a full video automatically. This makes it easier for beginners to create content and upload videos consistently. The fourth AI side hustle is AI voiceover services. Many YouTube creators, businesses, and advertisers need voiceovers for their videos. With AI voice tools like 11 Labs, you can generate realistic voiceovers quickly. You can offer voiceover services to clients who need narration for videos, ads, or presentations. The fifth and final AI side hustle is selling AI-generated images. AI art tools can create unique images using simple text prompts. You can generate digital artwork and sell it online as wallpapers, stock images, or print-on-demand designs. Many creators are already making money by selling AI-generated designs online. Artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities for people to earn money online. Those who start learning these AI tools today will have a huge advantage in the future. If you want to learn more about AI tools, online income ideas, and digital skills, make sure to subscribe to Digital Profit Hub. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.